Hi guys, Nas here from NasTime Adventures, here with another video this week. We've got the brand new 23.0 shower tent. This is brand new on the market. It's actually a black screen. You might have seen the one in the US. It's actually a green cover. This is black. They've made quite a few modifications to it based on what they've done over in the US. We're going to install it today on the King's rooftop tent. Now traditionally they give us these L brackets. Couple of pieces that go on, so that goes through there on your roof racks or your roof cage or whatever you've got. I've got the Kings. I'm going to mount it straight to the rooftop tent, and Kings, Adventure Kings, have got these brackets that come out, so hopefully you can see that. They get mounted onto the side rails, and the roof rack will mount straight to that. So I'm going to go through the install. By the end of the video we'll be able to set it up and have a good look around and show you what this is all about. So let's do it. Okay, so here we are with the install. Firstly, mounting the brackets. So here we are back again. The install is complete. What we're going to do is we're going to open it up, set it all up now. Once I'm done, I'm actually going to take the camera off the tripod and do a closer walkthrough, so you'll see a little bit up close and personal. So let's have a look. So this is the first time I'm ever opening it. I assume it's relatively easy. Interestingly, there's no instructions for this, so not sure what the go is there, but no doubt it's pretty easy to work out. So a couple of clips. Okay. More there, two more there. We'll do that one first. And that actually locks in. That locks in there. So this is adjustable. So obviously we don't want to see too much of us when we're in there, so we can take this up. So let's do that just to show you what's involved. Okay, there are a couple of pegs to attach it down to the bottom. So there we go. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna take it off, take the camera off the tripod now and do a bit of a walk around. Show you a little bit closer what this thing looks like. So let's go. Okay, so here we are back with the 23.0 shower fully installed. Excuse the wind, but as you can see, the unit is black. So I think the idea of that is to minimise the shadows that appear or make it less see-through. What we have here, there's a couple of pockets there, I guess for your soaps and that sort of stuff. There's a strap along there that is for hanging your towel. You can tighten that up, I suppose. Let's have a look at the brackets and the hardware. So here we've got, yeah, it looks like all stainless steel, or good quality anyway. A few brackets up there. There's also a light up there, which is fantastic, and the USB connection there. I'm not sure how long that is, but hopefully that fits in. So another strap there. There's a couple of Velcro straps around the unit for obviously attaching the shower. This is fully adjustable, so you can adjust the height to suit. But look, that's pretty straightforward. Silver on the inside, black on the outside, so that's going to significantly reduce any visuals that you don't need. So that's pretty much it. I'll close it up now, and we'll go through the pack up. So back to pack it up now, see how quick and easy it is. A couple of clips here that you have to release. Okay, so there's two straps for the rails. And then there's two straps for the tent as well. There you go. That's it. Relatively easy, straightforward, quick setup. The power runs to the camper trailer, obviously, to get some light if you need it. My camper trailer's actually got a water tank underneath as well, so I'm going to look at hooking that up. Might do another video at some stage, seeing if I can link the hot water to the tank that's in the system. Otherwise, take a couple of buckets or whatever. Haven't worked out what water I'm going to use yet, but we can look at that later on. But I'm pretty happy with that overall. Looks like a pretty good sturdy unit. I really like the colours of it as well. It matches the trailer quite nicely. And yeah, I've got the 230270 awning, which you may have seen in another video on the other side. So it's a nice matching unit. Looks fantastic. So I think they're around $300 odd. You might be able to get a deal. The guys at 230 really good. They delivered to me yesterday because I wanted to see if I could get a video made this weekend. So they were really good and able to bring it down for me. So there you go. That's the 230 shower tent. Hope you liked the video. See you again next week maybe. Thank you.